We're going to drive over to the edge up here. We're going to get out, and we're going to try to move up on these deer that are chasing does down here. Come on. Well, folks, it is Thanksgiving 2016. Here we are in Montana. We're also hunting in Wyoming. I'm with my good friend Dominic Arena. First time out here, actually second time out here. Last year he shot a nice antelope with me, and we are now on a whitetail mule deer combo hunt. We saw some beautiful bucks this morning. They were fighting. I mean, they were about 500. Yeah, they were just chasing those, fighting. One buck was making a scrape on the floor. I mean, these are things that you read of in magazines, maybe see them on TV, but when you see it in person, it really changes your whole aspect of hunting. We're doing the afternoon hunt now. We patched up a few good bucks. We had a nice 8-pointer earlier this morning, nice tall rack, but it's our first day, so we want to be a little bit picky. You know, we got a 6-day hunt. So Dominic, he's locked and loaded with his 257 Weatherby Magnum. I have my 300 Winchester Magnum, and hopefully we're going to put some deer down. We have our guide Kevin again. Kevin guided for me this year on my antelope hunt. Excellent guide, very highly motivated, and the one thing I like is he knows the property, and that's what I want. There's a big 10-pointer walking in the field. He's got a few does with him. We're going to try to put a stalk and take a shot. Right now he's at 250 yards. On top of his back. The red light is on, right? Yep.
Meh. Boom! That was a hit.
Just follow him. 350 yards. 300 Winchester Magnum. 180 grain Barnes. Triple T SX bullet. Thanks to my guide Kevin. Was that a good hit?
I think it was a good hit. Smacko.
Yeah, huh?
Thump.
I aimed right on the top of its
back. That's what we want to hear.
Oh, yeah. Right on the top of its back I aimed.
Perfect. Let's go find him.
There's more deer spray up on. Thanksgiving 2016. Happy Thanksgiving to all. I'm Filippo Saglambeni, owner of Wild Trophy Hunts. I'm sure you've seen my videos. I hunt with the best and elite outfitters in the United States, Canada, and now Africa. Here I am, my first whitetail hunt in Montana. Shot a beautiful 11-pointer. It's a perfect 10, but if you notice, well, I'll show you right now. It's got a kicker right there. That's called a kicker. So that makes him an 11 pointer. This buck is probably 4.5, 5 years old. Mature buck. I was 3 inches high at 100 yards, so I put it right on top of its back, and down he went. He didn't even go 40 yards. He just dropped. The rut is on. I have another tag for Wyoming. I'm on a combo hunt with Mike Watkins, Trophy Plus Outfitters, and this is what you get when you come book with us. Big thank you to my guide Kevin, because without him, I would not be able to put a shot on this.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
I want to thank Leupold Optics. Leupold's the way to go. I have a Vari X3. I use Leupold binoculars. Every hunting trip that I've been on, I use Leupold.
Yeah.
Right here. Right here. I got it all on film.
You did?
All on film.
Nice. Good job, guys. Let's go make sure we got him there. Although I'm sure he's there.
Yeah, he's there. Welcome again to Wild Trophy Hunts. Congratulations on this beautiful mature buck. Excellent shot. Nice going. Once again, we're teamed up with Kevin, our guide. Saw this buck in the river bottom, and he was just walking, grazing, eating, just relaxing, not knowing we were there, not caring. And we put a little stalk on him, about a 100-yard shot, dead on. I got it on film, dropped, game over. Got a beautiful animal. He's going to make an excellent mount. But our hunt is not over. We are hunting a combination of whitetail and mule deer in both Montana and Wyoming. See you later.
Peanut butter and jelly.
And it's lunchtime. We took a break. It's about 12 noon. Had some nice action this morning. Deer are definitely on the run. You ready there, Dominic?
Ready.
Yeah?
I'm ready.
All right.
Let's do it.
We shall catch you later.
Someone else as it runs through the middle of this.
He's calm.
Over the top.
Over the top?
Over the top.
I aimed it too
Reload,
high.
reload. Shh, shh, shh. He's still there. He's still there.
He's right there on the right.
I'm on him.
Boom! Boom! That was a hit.
I thought it was. I aimed it a little bit too high. I should have
too
just
high?
be on him.
Right here.
I think that second one was money. Oh yeah, he had a doe in behind him right there. Nice shot. Good job,
Should've just
Dominic.
be on it.
Good shot.
Good shot.
Dead. Nice. Good job. Look at them horns.
You good filming?
Extra little kicker right there.
Yeah.
Look at them little bumps.
He's at 5x5.
Yeah.
Nice. He is pretty.
He is pretty deer.
Very nice.
Look at his horns off here.
Holy shit. Where the fuck did I hit?
I had been the other side.
We are now hunting in Wyoming. Dominic, congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Beautiful buck. Another mature buck we harvested using his 257 Weatherby. That was like a 300-yard shot, I think, or no?
About.
Yeah, about 300-yard shot. That's what we're looking for when you're out here. Just the nice thickness. Look at the main beams, his G2s. I mean, this is a nice mature buck. He's got some kickers over here. You know, we always like these features as hunters. We want something different. Nice size neck. Like I said before, they're in a rut right now, and they're just all over the place. It's just a matter of finding them and sitting and waiting like we did this morning. And now it's my turn to hunt. I have one more tag left for Wyoming, and I can either shoot a whitetail or a mule deer. Mike Watkins with Trophy Plus Outfitters. He has combination hunts. You can hunt both states in Montana and Wyoming, and you have a choice of either deer. You can shoot 2 mule deers or 2 whitetails or 1 and 1. And I'm going to try to shoot a mule deer since I never did. Well, good job, Dominic. The shooting is over now.
That's it.
That's it.
Now
Next
you can
year.
Sit back and relax.
Sit back, relax. We have.
Enjoy the ride.
That's it. We got a nice game room. You can play pool table. Enjoy the trophies that Mike Watkins shot over the years. Have a nice glass of wine, some food, and that's it. A big thank you to Kevin again, our guide. Just excellent guy, and that's it. We're good to go. Stalk on a nice buck. He's got a doe next to him bedded down. He's about 140, 150 yards. So we're trying to get close to him without him noticing us. The wind is in our favor, so that's a thumbs up. You're probably wondering why I didn't shoot. It had a broken brow tine. I got two and a half days left. I gotta pass him up. I'll take my chances. There's bigger bucks out there too.
You got really tall brow tines. Brow tines are almost as big as your G2s.
Really?
Yeah.
How far is he from here?
425.
Where is he?
I'm on him. Knocked him down! That's how you do it.
Nice.
Film over here. Wild trophy hunts, booking hunts of a lifetime. I don't know if I got him on the first shot. He took off and he stopped and I shot and he dropped. Whew. 385 yards, wind is blowing. I aimed right on top of its back and mid area, just so the bullet will travel with the wind. What a shot that was. Looks like a nice 10-point, a mature deer. Whoo-wee. All right, the buck is down. It was probably a 425-yard shot when he stopped for me to take that second shot. And both shots were actually good. He just stopped and I didn't want to take any chances. Whew. Ready to go? Take a look? Let's go. Look at that neck. Look at this neck. Oh my God, was he rutting. Wild Trophy Hunts. I'm Filippo Saglambeni. Booking hunts of a lifetime. This is a beautiful, mature buck. We are up in Wyoming. I harvested my first buck in Montana. And this is the last day, early morning. And at 400 yards, down he went. Yesterday I had a nice buck. He was an 8-pointer. But as I was ready to squeeze that trigger, he lifted his head and I saw a missing brow tine. It was completely broken off. This year they rutted really hard. You could even see his tip over here got chipped. And I told Kevin, my guide, that we got one more day left. Let's just take our chances. You know, that's hunting. Sometimes you got to gamble if you want that bigger buck. Not 2 minutes did I get into the lodge. Esther, Mike's wife, tells me about this big storm that's coming in tomorrow, which is today. 40 to 50 mile an hour winds, snow, everything you could imagine. I said to myself, maybe I should have shot that buck. Like I said, it's a gamble sometimes. And sure enough, we come out this morning and he was feeding with about 12, 13 does. And we had a hard time judging him because, as you can see, he is huge. Look at this neck. Look at the body. This is a big, big body deer. He was gorging himself, just putting on some fat, ready for the winter. And the rack is not wide rack, but it's a respectable rack. It's a mature deer. It's probably around 5 years old, Kevin told me. And you know what? On the last day, this made my day. And I'm very happy. We got it on film. I had to take 2 shots. The first shot, I'm not sure where I hit him, but he stopped, and I reloaded and shot again. He just collapsed. We didn't get it on video. No problem. We got the after kill here. So once again, you're looking to book whitetail mule deer hunts, give Mike Watkins a call with Trophy Plus Outfitters. Give me a call, Wild Trophy Hunts. Look us up online, and we'll put you on some dandy deer. We got a lot of kills this year. Excellent success, 100% opportunity. It's up to you to know your rifle. And I'm using a 300 Winchester Magnum, 180 grain Barnes bullet. And that's it. We got it done. Look, just beautiful rack.